Hey, did you see this?
No.
Tamiya is coming out with a new M24 Chaffee kit. Wow.
So?
Well, it's fantastic. The detail is great. Typical Tamiya engineering. Everybody's talking about it. I think I should get one.
Why?
Because it's amazing.
You're currently building 3 other kits.
That's not the point.
How is that not the point?
The point is, this is a brand new release.
So,
So it's new.
you don't even build many Allied tank kits anyways.
That's true, but that's what makes it exciting.
You know, you said the same thing about the last new release.
Yes, but that was before this one existed.
Okay, let me understand this. You weren't interested in the Chaffee 3 days ago.
Correct.
Then the manufacturer announced a new kit,
Correct.
and now it's the most important military vehicle in history?
Well, I wouldn't say it's the most important.
You spent 2 hours watching videos about it.
Research.
You downloaded reference photos.
More research.
And you've started to look for aftermarket parts.
Planning ahead.
You don't even own the kit.
That's exactly why I need to be prepared.
Do you know what your problem is?
Passion?
No. It's when a company announces a new release, your brain completely forgets the piles of other kits that you already have.
That's ridiculous.
Really? Name me the last 3 kits that you bought.
That's not important.
Name one.
Look, we're getting distracted. The important thing is that this kit has incredible detail and everybody is talking about it.
You haven't even seen the sprues.
I can feel the quality.
Through the internet?
Through the internet.
Okay, so what's going to happen if you buy it?
I'll just put it safely on the shelf until I'm ready to build it.
Alongside all the other kits that you have waiting to be built?
Exactly.
And how many kits are already waiting?
I prefer not to discuss exact numbers.
Because you don't know.
Because some truths are too painful to face. In the meantime, and in between time, that's another edition of Jet Scale Models.
Y'all come back now, you hear?